Hello everyone. Today, welcome to the Blender session, to the first Blender session. Today, we are going to be covering the basics of Blender, like modeling and many more. Okay, so when you open your Blender, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you will see that there is the section where file, edit, window, to help, and many more sections like layout, modeling, sculpting, everything. Okay, so we will understand each of them first. So let us get started with the layout section. So layout section have all the things that you should first when you make a basic structure of something. So that basic structure can be made by layout or modeling and sculpting. And sometimes what happens when you don't want to change this layout modeling and sculpting, you can just change the layout section into your modeling session. So going to edit, but going to sculpting session, so sculpt mode section. So you can do it like this. And there are other kind of sections which are not that much important to a beginner. When you are doing some beginning, so that is not important for now. So weight in then weight texture being is not important for now. So and then you can see in the object sessions because when you open layout you want object mode only. Then you can change it onwards. Now you have a select box where you can select the thing like I have selected. Okay. And then there's a cursor selection where the cursor should be. You can select that. Then we have the move. So through which we can move it. Like this green structure will help me to move this direction in this direction. And in this direction it will have to move in this one. So X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. These are the structures it works. Yes, then we have the transform. The transform structures and changes the shape also and do the same thing as move also. How? When you click this one, it will move that thing up. If you click this one, it will also move that one. This one. And there is a 3D viewport circle and menu that you can see. So this hole that you can see is your 3D viewport. Okay, where's my cursor going through from here to here? This is your full 3D viewport where you can do. And sometimes you can also change this viewport like it's a before. Okay, now it's on 3D viewport for now. You can change it sometimes. You can change it into doc sheet, drivers, graph editor, outliner, properties. So it means that the sections, these all the sections that you can see, through changing these modes and through changing the things, we can make into many sections like layout can be become modeling through going edit, sculpting it can become through going sculpting and UV editing. So UV editing you can go just clicking on the editor. So when I click over here UV editor, I make this as a UV editing section. Texture painting section. I can add a paint section over here. And texture paint section over here. That's not the problem. So you can change if you are not a beginners. When someone is not beginners and they know how to use, they always use these things, changes the sections up and all those things. And now let's talk about the layout section. So over here you can see the zooming, the zoom in or out to the view. When I click someone like this, right? So it zoom it up and go to the back. But see that. And you have the move the view section where you can move the view. You have the camera section. The whole rectangle you can see and a triangle above on it. This is your camera. Okay, let me take it. This is your camera. And if I click on this camera icon, I can see that how the camera is viewing an object. So it's like real life. In real life, in 3D animation, let's thought that 3D animation is a whole life structure. It's going like all your life. And how shooting works in the camera placement, how you have to place the camera in that direction, in the direction, lighting, coloring. So all those works here also. So the video depends on your lighting, camera, and color in the real life. In this, it's also work like that. In real life shooting, it works like that, and now it's also works like that. Okay, you can move the camera as I had told. You can move anything up, and let me tell you a light section. Where's the light section? So, where's the light gone? Okay, you are not finding light. Right now, let me add a light over there. I added a light. So, this point you can see the is the way to show that a light is being added. Okay, so this is a way to show. And over here we have the view sections also, as you can see. This is the wireframe viewport where you can view the inside of the object. This is the section where which shows viewport shading. Okay, so it shows gradually how it will look. The back side is shaded and this is the viewport shading and this method you will see whole color. So when I change the color of this, it will show that yes, it's changed like this. And this is the main viewport. This viewport means that this is how your video will be exported. Okay, so let me show you. If I increase the light, you can see that the light is increasing in this video, not in others. Because this is the real time viewport, through which you can view that how is the thing walking and how is it not. You can also change the color, like I have changed. Okay, okay, let's change many colors. Let us keep this like this. So this is how your light works. If I move it over there, move there, over here, so it's all works like that. It's very easy and it's very beautiful to me. Okay, now let's go to warnings and all those because we should understand everything from everything should be clear in this introduction video. That's it. If we don't want that, we will start with our project that we have. We will tell you about our project soon, but let's first see that how this workspace is. So this is the blender icon where you can see splash screen. When I click on this splash screen, you can see that when you open this splash screen, always over here to see. And blender is not always for your 3D animation. It's also have 3D animations. It's also have VFX, and sometimes you can make your own files. These are the templates. Like I have made asset and config and contents. So you can make from your own also. Sculpting, there's a whole window for sculpting. There's a whole window for VFX, video editing. These are the included, and these are my self-made. Now let me tell you how to make your self-made window. So sometimes you got a file, so you can install the application template. When you click on this, you can see the application template if it's made, and then you can add it up. Okay. Wait a minute. So this is how it's lighting works. Okay. Now what I was talking that now file and file you have new open the recent recover save if there's going appears import you can import things you can import export things and I have to also tell you add menu and then you will add many things up and mash you have frame keyboard circle use them in a whole project you will working on this mainly and on lighting mainly. So these are the things which are used. Okay. You have text, you have volumes, you can respect. So today animation is called as grease pencil. And I added a monkey of grease pencil. You can see that a monkey of a 2D animation is a monkey of 2D animation. And also you can see the monkey of this. Now in render, you can render image or animation. What is render? Render is mean exporting a video or an image. Okay, and you can view the render. And menu. In menu, you have view window, main window, full screen, like that. Full screen, next workspace, previous workspace, save screenshot. In help, you have tutorials. Wonderful tutorials of kind of support. And let me say that tutorials work with the parents because I had been able to understand Blender through many tutorials. As you are seeing this tutorial, even I'm not just saying this tutorial is the best. You can see other tutorials. It's best to see many tutorials and but start from a beginning. Start from a beginning video. So this is a beginner video. You should start over from. I should start from other beginner section videos, not other YouTubers. Or you can buy courses. Now in modeling section, in modeling section, what is great in the modeling section? Let me know. So in the modeling section, what is great to see? So this is how your modeling works. Modeling section, we will be working on it later on, but it's important to know for you. So again, modeling section, sculpting section where you can sculpt up. So sculpting section is best for your making characters, sculpting them, sculpting their face, like drawing their chins, nose, eyes, and more. Okay. UV editing, I don't use UV editing as much. It's not that much important for a beginner. In shading is very much important to add colors. Animation is mainly to use add animations. Like this is one of the animations added. You can see that animation is added. Yes. So this is the animation block. I ended an animation. And it will be covering more about animations in the next coming videos. And then the last is rendering that you can do from just clicking over here or just clicking over here. You can do and you can check the settings out, view all the things out. Okay. Frames, everything's out. It's very easy. I hope it's clear for the whole video. Let me just tell you, this is a different global report. Some things are not important to you to know. As something that more important as a beginner. In beginner, you should know most of the important things. Oh no. Then I will come with series of videos with high expenses, high learning level of window coming soon. Okay. Those videos will be coming soon and we'll be looking at this course. Now, so it's not overview of this tutorial and let me introduce something before going to our actual program. What is actual program? So, actual program is a learning functional program. Actual program is very much awesome to view where you can get many things, many things, many things to do. Okay, so there are many tiles. There's no time. Wait a minute. I thought of the problem. So notice uh, notice the benefit in how you work is that we have a pattern program where you can learn new songs. You are viewing videos, learning videos, and you can work with us more, know with us many things are missing many things are. Okay, so this is our works. We have three membership levels: Bitcoin, moderate, and advanced. Beginner, for beginner, you have to just pay $3 which will include chat community. There you can chat with us, ask questions with us. Many questions you can ask about video editing, Blender, and many communications that we are speaking about. I will be sending some tests also. Like you can ask me any test that send me that I had completed without the activity. So I will send you. And moderate chat communities here, test yourself features here, early access to our videos. Chat community, test yourself. PDF notes over here. In the advanced PDF notes, moderate is $9 only, advanced is $15 only. So that is the two. And there are some goals also. Our goal is after 10 patrons, we will upload a special thank you video for them. And the next, after 100 patrons, we'll keep a separate live session for all the patrons. Okay, beginners, there will be a live session with notice, there will be a live session advanced, there will be separate live session. Okay, so now that is for now. And we have introduced a new website that you can go and check it out. And we are getting a store feature on our website. So there you can buy courses of us, get more from us. So thank you, stay tuned, subscribe to us. Bye bye.